And thanks for joining us. I'm Rochelle Murcia.
And I'm Michael Patterson. More potential cuts to federally funded programs has the community looking to local government leaders for answers.
The California Democratic Party held a town hall meeting tonight to discuss what these cuts could mean for Kern County. Eyewitness News reporter Micah Thomas was at the meeting and tells us how things went.
We're here at the town hall meeting that has been hosted by the California Democratic Party, where they're hearing out local voter concerns over proposed cuts to programs like Social Security and Medicaid. And they're also calling on local Republican leaders to hear out these concerns as well. Every seat was filled in Thursday's town hall. Local leaders and community members gathered to share concern around the proposed cuts to the House Energy and Commerce Committee, which oversees Medicaid. However, President Trump has insisted no cuts would be made to the program, but has highlighted cuts to federal spending as a priority.
There's never been an argument about waste. It's how you go about it. You don't take a sledgehammer or a chainsaw, whatever the guy's doing, and do that. The processes have always been in place.
I mean, the reality is that the budget packages being proposed in Washington, D.C. were the same ones that were being proposed during the Biden administration right now to keep the lights on and keep the doors open for the federal government. There's no changes in.
Assembly member Dr. Jasmeet Bates opened the meeting with a passionate message to her constituents.
It is a dire situation right now. We have some of the most Medicaid patients in the entire country. Who's going to stand up in Congress for our community? How is it that our Republican counterparts think it's okay to wipe away health care?
Why are we the region in the country that has the most folks on Medi-Cal? What can we do to hopefully break the strain of poverty in our region? And maybe that's opportunities on the job front in the ag sector and the energy sector. I'd love for the conversation to move towards how we can lift up our economy.
Democratic Congressman Jimmy Gomez also spoke to the new reality he says our community could be faced with if these cuts happen.
Because it's not a theoretical thing. This is real, right? When you cut Medicaid, all of a sudden you're going to have less hours at community health centers, at rural hospitals, and that means that wait times are going to be longer if people decide to go and try to get care.
I do think a good part of this is political theater, and it's important to remember that these are folks that are, seeking to unseat incumbents in the future, and there's probably nothing that Congressman Valadao could do that would draw anything other than concern from the California Democratic Party.
Reporting in Bakersfield, Micah Thomas, Eyewitness News.